recipe for everyone to try at home. So I'm going to be doing this this green juice recipe, which I'm always do during the day. I make this one. All right. So the first thing what I'm going to do is, the first step is get half of a lemon, and you can use lime, into the blender. So what I intend to do, not to remove the skin too much, because the skin is where a lot of the benefit is, okay? Half of a lemon into that blender. All right, then we're going to get a nice little piece of ginger. I'm going to do simple. Remove the skin from this ginger. All right. So we have a nice little piece of a ginger, 3 little piece. We're gonna put that straight inside of the blender. Boy, may I tell you, this recipe is one of my favorite recipe, which I use almost every day. Now, all right, I'm gonna simple cut up 1 medium-sized green apple to put inside of the blender. Okay. So the green apple is amazing. I love it. That's the green apple we are using, okay? Excellent. All right, lovely. So that's 1 medium-sized green apple, okay? What I'm gonna do, all right, I'm gonna put some of my favorite inside of it, but I'm going to remove the skin from it, and it is your favorite also, cucumber. So we're going to put a couple slices of cucumber into the blender, just like this. See that? Just like that. All right, guys. So, as I said before, that's one of my favorite drink. I love it, and I'm always doing it because why? It works very effective in your immune system, and it also helps to build up the immune system also. All right, and detoxify the body also. All right. Just gonna get my favorite, some water. All right, we're gonna get some water to put inside of it. Not too much, roughly about half cups of water. Lovely. All right, and that is one of my excellent drink for the day. Let's put this aside. All right. And then the good news that you guys can also get yourself a copy of the book From Poverty to Purpose on Amazon. There's a massive 50% off the book right now on Amazon. Okay. Let's put that right there. Let's go back right over here with this and an amazing juice which we are making right here with just a few ingredients. The few ingredients is just ginger, green apple, cucumber, lemon. It is your responsibility to do the right thing, guys. Some people don't want to do the right thing because why? They don't want to see you talking about the positive things for them to better and to them to be healthy at home. But as I said before, in my previous video, do not blame your doctor, because your doctor doesn't have nothing to do with you and what you are doing at home. It is your responsibility to do the right thing. And the right thing is to eat healthy and look after yourself. All right? Good vibes. Now, let's put on the lid. All right. Today is Friday, and today is Friday, and a lot of people will be doing takeaway today. You don't have to do takeaway every week, you know what I mean? Save your money and do the right thing, okay? So, we're going to blend up this right here. Look at that. Amazing and fantastic. Okay. Let's open up this right here. Okay. Come right here with this one. All right. And we're going to pour out this. Now, look at that beautiful drink. Very simple, very nice, and also very effective. Okay, now you can do this at home. All right, yes, you can do this at home 100%. All right, go to your supermarket, get the right product and do the right thing. You never go wrong. All right, we all know that we are not perfect. Sometimes we do things which we're not supposed to be doing, but at the same time, but there's a lot of people are pushing a lot of positive things on social media for us to take heed and to listen and do the right thing at home. Okay, so the right thing is looking after yourself and stay healthy as much as you can, and do not blame your doctor, because your doctor doesn't have nothing to do with you at home. What you're putting in your mouth, what you're eating to go in your stomach. The doctor doesn't have, the doctor then, yes, are there to give you medication when they get sick and you get ill. But my example to anyone, when you're at home and you sit down in your settee and drinking off a bottle of champagne or whatever, it's not the doctor is telling you to do that. The doctor doesn't live at your house. It is your responsibility to know that you need to do the right thing. Eat healthy, look after yourself, and don't overdo things at home, because it will put you in trouble. Don't blame your kids, don't blame your husband, don't blame your wife, blame yourself, because it is your own responsibility. Big up on yourself, good vibes, and we will soon with the next one, and the next one will be coming very soon from Chef Ricardo Cooking. All right, yeah man. So whatever you guys do,